Rebranding your TikTok shop, I'll show you how to change your store name in just a few clicks. So you're just gonna log into your TikTok Seller Center. You're gonna go in the top right corner, go to My Account, My Profile. Then it's gonna take you to account information. You're just gonna click Seller Information right here. Once you're here, you got the shop name, click Change, and you can change it once per month. I don't know if there's a limit, but as of right now, it's just one time per month. Change your shop name to whatever you want. Once it's changed, you can double check it by going into your products. So go to your products tab, and then you can actually view it as a buyer. So you're gonna click that little eye icon, and then you can scroll down and see if it changes. Sometimes it takes 24 hours to update, so just wait and make sure it is fully updated, and then you can just view it as a buyer and just double check that it's changed. And that's it. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full TikTok account management service. This is where we're gonna be managing your SEO, your affiliate program, contacting TikTok, optimizing your TikTok listings, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is you can focus on expanding your TikTok business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.